Ugua na KIMAKO ibutambite NTEERE cha Kamakis barabarani ya Eastern Bypass kauntini ya Kiambu nyuma ya nyomba ya ngoroba itandatu gukarajake kwenda kumumoka. Nyomba eje iria iri na ntunkuruki gana nande iri ugwatine bunene thirikari ikiurwa gutonyera gutigira guti mioyo igatewa kumania na ikarikari.
Nakaa hapa DP's apartments, nika note cracks, nikawaambia nataka kuhama. Then wakakubali, leo asubuhi ndio wakaanza commotion, wataki nihame. Na mimi the main reason nahama nyumba ni juu iko na cracks na inateremka, milango hazifungiki, drainage imeanza kuinama. Sasa hapo ndio nikaona hapana.
Uli notice hiyo kitu lini na iko?
Hapa nimekaa since 2022. Kutoka 2022 hapo December, I think it is December.
Sasa ungetakaje?
Now we had a report from members of the public that there are cracks within this building. So he came to confirm, and our work is to save lives and to protect also the lives of the residents. So what we have discovered is that the cracks are just minor cracks. Yeah? They are mostly on the walls, and they don't affect any structural element, like the columns and the beams. We have some other shops here that were partitioned, so there are also some minor cracks which don't affect any structural elements. We cannot confirm without doing tests, and we come with the National Building Inspectorate to do some tests.
We received a report at Katangora Police Station that there was a building which had some cracks. The building is deepest apartment. On the 5th floor, when we visited, there is one room which has some cracks. We conducted the county engineer, Mr. John, who has confirmed that the cracks are structural and they are on the walls. They are not on the columns. He confirms that the building